Hello drivers and welcome to my channel. My name is Ava, and I am here to guide you through the traffic rules in America. What does this sign mean? Number 1, trailer crossing ban. Number 2, low ground clearance. Number 3, trains may exceed 80 miles per hour. Number 4, this sign does not exist. Number 2, low ground clearance. A low ground clearance grade crossing sign is used in advance of a grade crossing if the highway profile conditions are sufficiently abrupt to create a hang-up situation for long wheelbase vehicles or for trailers with low ground clearance. What does this sign mean? Number 1, truck rollover warning. Number 2, increase speed. Number 3, side wind. Number 4, truck parking ahead. Number 1, truck rollover warning. A truck rollover warning sign may be used to warn drivers of vehicles with a high center of gravity, such as trucks, tankers, and recreational vehicles, of a curve or turn to have geometric conditions that are prone to cause such vehicles to lose control and overturn. What does this sign mean? Number 1, do not pass. Number 2, keep left. Number 3, keep right except to pass. Number 4, keep right median island less than 4 feet wide. Number 4, keep right median island less than 4 feet wide. Red border means Number 1, no stopping, parking, or standing. Number 2, no stopping. Number 3, no parking at nighttime. Number 4, disabled parking. Number 1, no stopping, parking, or standing. Colored curb zones are painted to indicate parking prohibitions or restrictions. Additional regulations may be posted on signs and apply regardless of curb color. Red, white, and blue curb regulations are in effect 24 hours a day, 7 days a week unless otherwise indicated by a sign. What does this sign mean? Number 1, turn on the light. Number 2, turn left or right. Number 3, turn on emergency lights. Number 4, stop. Number 2, turn left or right. A double arrow sign means that the road you are driving on ends. You'll need to either turn left or right on the two-way roadway that your street has intersected. What does this sign mean? Number 1, traffic lights ahead. Number 2, stop sign ahead. Number 3, ramp meter ahead. Number 4, metal bridge deck. Number 2, stop sign ahead. This sign simply warns that there is a stop sign ahead and allows the driver ample time to step on the brakes and avoid accidents due to sudden halting.